Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this triangle wreath. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this triangle wreath, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. Let's get on with the video. What you will need for this DIY is 3 sticks, fake flowers, scissors, twine or string, and a glue gun. The first thing you want to do is to overlap the sticks and form them into a triangle. Then you want to tie each corner of the triangle together with a piece of twine or string, and you also want to cut off the extra twine or string. After you make the triangle, you want to pull the fake flowers and leaves off of their stems. Then you want to place the flowers and the leaves onto the triangle to see how you want it to look. And something to remember is the flowers that are on one side of the triangle, the more the wreath will start to turn sideways on the wall or the door. Now all you have to do is to glue the flowers and the leaves onto the triangle. The last thing you have to do is to tie a loop with some twine or string onto the top of the triangle so the triangle wreath can hang on the wall or the door. And that's it for this video. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this triangle wreath, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!